just like to say a little bit about the programming. Now, as previously mentioned, we are a strength program here at Workshop, and resistance stroke strength training is our main priority within our sessions. We run two programs concurrently, a male strength program and a female one. Both male and female will train in the same time slots. They will just have different programs sent to their individual phones. So the males will be completing the male program, the females will be completing the female program. One question we get a lot about the programming is this program a custom one for me? Now, I'll be straight with you, the initial answer is no. Both the guys and the girls programs are individually planned, guys and girls, for the group as a whole. The reason being is that the majority of the population don't really need a fully customized program. If their goal is to increase strength, build muscle, improve body composition, etc., common goals that a lot of clients share, everybody's going to need very similar types of programming. Everybody's going to need some pushing, some pulling, some squatting, some single leg lunging type movements, some core work. You get the idea. So a well-constructed and balanced strength program will achieve the desired outcome for 99% of clients. That being said, what we do with our program is we help each client find the exact way to perform each exercise on the program that will align with where they're at in terms of their strength and experience. So we have a templated program, which is A, B, C, D in terms of exercises. Every single client that's going to come in to train with us is obviously going to be at a different point on the journey, different strength ability, different experience levels. So their need from each exercise will be different. Let's take pull-ups, for example. If the program calls for 3 sets of 8 pull-ups, and we have 5 different clients, each client might need a different way to get the most from that prescription of 3 times 8 pull-ups. So one client might need to perform weighted pull-ups. One client might need to perform banded pull-ups. One client might need to perform the negative section of the pull-up only. One client might need a massively regressed version because they can't hold their weight up on a bar just yet. So even though the program says pull-ups, the kind of customized element of how we operate here at Workshop takes place within the session itself, where once the client turns up to perform the workout, the coach on hand will tailor that templated workout, that templated program to fit the client. It's kind of like taking a suit off the rack and then taking that to a seamstress and have them tinker with it a little bit to make it fit you a little better. It was an off the rack suit. Once you've took it to the coach, the seamstress, they have then personalized that a little closer to what you as an individual requires. So the initial answer is no, it is not specifically designed for you, although some elements will be taken into consideration. So if in your audit form you say you cannot back squat, then obviously we will take that out from the very start, because we know that's not a movement we can do. Or I don't like to deadlift, then again we will take that out from the get-go, because that is some information that we already know. But other than that, the program and the workouts will be from a templated source, and then they will be custom tinkered with, for want of a better way of saying it, to fit you more accurately, but that will happen within the sessions. So I could have given a simple answer of yes or no, it is or it isn't custom designed for you, the individual. Instead, I'll give you this more complicated answer, but I do hope that makes it a little clearer that it kind of is and it isn't.